Question. The length L in centimeter of a copper rod is a linear function of its Celsius temperature C. In an experiment, if capital L is equal to 124.942 when C is equal to 20 and L is equal to 125.134 when C is equal to 110, express L in terms of C. Since L is linear function of C, therefore graph between L and C is a straight line passing through the point 124.942 and 20 and 125.134, 110. Therefore, graph between one 124.942, 20 and second point 125.134, 110. Equation of line passing through two points is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. Y minus y1 is 20, y2 is 110 minus y1 20 upon x2 is 125.134 minus x1 is 124.942, x minus x1 124.942, y minus 20 is equal to, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर आ जाएगा ये 90 और ये सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर आ जाएगा, सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर इतना आ जाएगा 1.808, x माइनस 124.942. इसको पूरा सॉल्व करने पर सिंप्लीफाई करने पर आ जाएगा y इज इक्वल टू 0.00213 x प्लस 124.8994. अब y के जगह पर L लिख दिया और x की जगह पर C लिख दिया और L इज इक्वल टू 0.00213 C प्लस 124.8994. आंसर. Question. The owner of a milk store finds that he can sell 980 liters of milk each week at rupees 14 per liter and 1220 liters of milk each week at rupees 16 per liter. Assuming a linear relationship between selling price and demand, how many liters could he sell weekly at rupees 17 per liter? Let y liter is quantity of milk and rate of milk is x per liter. Repeat x per liter. Since relationship between selling price and demand is linear, therefore graph between y and x is line. If y is equal to 980, then x is equal to 14. Therefore, first point at 14 980 xy. If y is equal to 1220, then ax is equal to 16. Therefore, second find 16 1220. Equation of line passing through these 2 points 14 980 and 16 1220. y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, x minus x1. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2, y2. y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 1220 minus 980 upon x2 minus x1 16 minus 14, x minus x1 14, y minus 980 is equal to, इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया 240 अपॉन 2, x minus 14, y minus 980 इक्वल टू 120 x minus 14. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करने के बाद मिलेगा y is equal to 120x minus plus 980 or y is equal to 120x minus 700. Now put x equal to 17. We get y is equal to 120 into 17 minus 700 is equal to 1340. Answer 1340 liter. Question: PAB is a midpoint of a line segment between axes, so that equation of the line is x upon a plus y upon b is equal to 2. Let intercepts along x and y axis are P and Q. Then equation of line is x upon P plus y upon Q is equal to 1, where P is OA and Q is OB. Coordinate of A is P0 and coordinate of B is 0 Q. P0, y coordinate is 0, coordinate of B is 0 Q. Since B is lie on y axis, therefore x coordinate is 0. Since P is midpoint of AB, therefore coordinate of midpoint is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2, AB. x1 plus x2 P plus 0 upon 2, y1 plus y2 0 plus Q upon 2 is equal to AB. Or P upon 2 Q upon 2 is equal to AB. P upon 2 is equal to A, therefore P is equal to 2A. Equating y coordinate, Q upon 2 is equal to B, therefore Q is equal to 2B. Putting these values of P and Q in 1. X upon P के जगह पर 2A प्लस y अपॉन Q के जगह पर 2B इज इक्वल टू 1 और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए x अपॉन A प्लस y अपॉन B इज इक्वल टू 2 आंसर।